Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 47675. This is a package of 30 key safe carriers. It's basically a belt loop for your keys. And this part number, the 47675, specifically means a package of 30. And we'll talk about the other ways that you can order these in terms of the quantity. But this partner, if you were to dissect this part number, it would mean a bag of 30. So here's the key safe. Who knows how many decades these have been around. Very typical and common to slide your belt through there, giving you that spring steel to be able to pull that key ring off. Nickel-plated steel, definitely steel. Nickel-plated for corrosion resistance. Simple design makes keys easily acceptable. Basically, that's the action there where you push it in with your thumb and then you're able to just pull it out. Slides through belt so it won't pull off. 1.1" nickel-plated temper steel split ring snaps in and out with ease. Fits a 2-inch belt. Let's take some dimensional properties. Overall height of the entire unit, about 3 1/8. Overall width, looks like it's about 13/16. Overall projection, looks like it's about 9/16. Okay. They say that ring is 1.1", and generally I find that to be about the center line of the unit, top to bottom, is where the 1.1" comes in. And that's what that is. Overall, it's going to be closer to 1 3/16. Now, there is, below this video, a link to the manufacturer's page. And that link is helpful because it will allow you to not only look at all of the other Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's page, but more so the product catalog. And we'll have several volumes of that catalog, and we keep the old volumes because we like to be able to look back in time and see what's changed. If you were to open that document up, you would see, or if you were to open it and then search for 47675, you'll see the page where this key safe is kept. And you'll see how that part number changes in relationship to the packaging type and the quantity, meaning how it's packaged and how many you'll get. So if what you're looking for is the least expensive way to purchase this in a bulk scenario where you need 30, you would order it that way versus ordering the 47601 where they're individually carded. That would be very appropriate if you had a retail environment in a hardware store or a locksmith's front counter area. But you wouldn't want to order 30 that way. It would be simply more expensive. If you needed to deploy these to your fleet of engineers on a Big Ten university, you would order it this way, would be my guess. You'll also notice there that they offer it in a black, and if you were to change the 476 in the part number to a 477, you're going to get the black finish. They can also do high volume product where you have a 100-piece minimum. They can quote that. Also, what's handy on that page is to look at the related products that are there, like the key pal and the belt hook as well. We don't sell as many of the belt hooks, but those are not uncommon. Now, the balance of that catalog, like the page before it, the page after it, will show you sister products to this as well, not only the ones that are really close. This catalog is very handy because it will allow you to review all things that are key management hardware related, to which Lucky Line's name is quite synonymous. Whether it be a key ring that will go over a belt, or key tags made of paper or plastic or aluminum or brass, a variety of novelty items like spring-style wrist coils, and they can do custom printing on many of their items as well. You might have a park district and you need to order several hundred of something, like maybe the head of a custom key, and you want to put your logo on there or your telephone number, or if you're a locksmith shop, you might want to order novelty keys with your information on it. Lucky Line can do that stuff. They'll have flotation devices that you could then purchase their stainless steel twisty style aircraft cable and crimpable key rings that will go over the flotation device from the crimpable keyring to the key to the jet ski. So if you're the person on the beach that people rent those from, Lucky Line can help you with that material as well. Park districts, as I said earlier, car rental facilities with their different variety of plastic type key tags that have paper inserts where you can mark things. You see their material all the time. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, this is their part number 47675, package of 30 key rings, their key safe carriers, nickel plated steel, or any other Lucky Line product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.